Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to manually fill in a PDF Printover. Manually filling in a PDF Printover enables you to complete any PDF form using various field types and style formats. This is especially useful for forms requiring specific information from you, which can then be sent back to the patient or used as needed, promoting a paperless practice. Please note that the custom form must first be sent to the patient, allowing them to upload a PDF file. You can then convert the uploaded PDF into a PDF Printover to fill in. For more information regarding how to send a custom form, please refer to the How to Send a Custom Form user manual linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on the PDF Printover screen of the PDF file that the patient has sent, which you will have to complete. Navigate to the page or section you are required to complete. Quick actions are buttons that enable you to swiftly add fields to the PDF Printover, simplifying the process of completing the form. Please note that all added fields can be dragged and dropped to the desired place on the PDF Printover. For more information on how each field type works and more formatting options we will be covering now, please refer to the PDF Printover Setup user manual linked in this video's description. Text adds a content box to the form that can be used to add text to the desired area of the form. Multi-line text adds a text box that spans over multiple lines that you can use for paragraphs. Image adds a field where you are able to upload an image. Signature adds a field where you are able to upload your digital signature. Checkbox allows you to add a field that will tick the relevant checkbox. Click on the email button to send the filled-in PDF Printover to the patient via email. For more information regarding how to send an email, please refer to the Send an Email user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the MyGC button, which will allow you to send the document back to the patient with a secure MyGC link. Click on the Print button to send the document to your printer. Lastly, click on the Print drop-up menu, then click on the Download button to save a copy of the PDF file locally on your device.